Chapter The Last Lesson, Last Minute Revision, Memo Emoji, Intro. Today, we are learning one of the most emotional and meaningful stories from CBSE Class 12, The Last Lesson by Alphonse Daudet. This story reminds us of the value of language, freedom, and education. Stay till the end for important questions, meanings, and cues. Pushpin emoji, summary, short plus clear. The last lesson is set in Alsace, a region taken over by Prussia, Germany. The story is narrated by Franz, a young boy who is lazy and avoids studying French. One day, he reaches school expecting punishment for not learning his lesson, but instead, he finds a sad and serious atmosphere. His teacher, M. Hamel, announces that this is their last French lesson because the German government has ordered that only German will be taught from the next day. M. Hamel tells the students how their language, French, is the most beautiful and logical language in the world, and how people don't value learning until it's taken away. Franz regrets wasting time and realizes that losing a language means losing identity. The story ends with M. Hamel writing Vive la France, meaning long live France, on the board as the final goodbye. Books emoji, important word meanings: regretted, felt sorry, commotion, noise and disturbance. Bulletin board, notice board, emotional, full of feelings, patriotism, love for one's country, resistance, opposition or fight back. Alas, expression of sadness. Bullseye emoji, themes, black tick mark emoji, loss of freedom, black tick mark emoji, importance of language, black tick mark emoji, regret and realization, black tick mark emoji, patriotism, black tick mark emoji, value of education, black question mark emoji, important questions and answers. Q1. Why was Franz feeling regretful? Answer: Franz regretted not studying his French lessons earlier. When he learned that this was his last French class, he realized the importance of the language and felt sorry for wasting time. Q2. Why was there a special quietness in the classroom? Answer: the class was unusually quiet because the students, villagers, and even the teacher understood the emotional importance of the final French lesson. Q3. What made M. Hamel emotional during the last lesson? Answer: M. Hamel had served the school for 40 years. The order to stop teaching French deeply hurt him because French was his language, pride, and identity. Q4. What message does the chapter give us? Answer: the chapter teaches us that we often take our language, freedom, and education for granted, and only realize their value when they are gone. Black tick mark emoji, multiple choice questions with answers, 1 keycap emoji. The story is set in A. Germany, B. France, C. Spain, D. India. Answer: France, 2 keycap emoji. Who is the author of the last lesson? A. Robert Frost, B. Alphonse Daudet, C. Louis Fisher, D. William Shakespeare. Right arrow emoji. Answer: B. Alphonse Daudet, 3 keycap emoji. What did the notice on the bulletin board announce? A. School holiday. B. Examination schedule. C. German rule and compulsory German language. D. Sports event. Right arrow emoji. Answer: C. German rule and compulsory German language, 4 keycap emoji. What were the villagers doing in the classroom? A. Complaining. B. Paying respect to the teacher and language. C. Doing assignments. D. Talking loudly. Right arrow emoji. Answer: B. Paying respect to the teacher and language. Summary: this story reminds us that language is not just a way of communication, it is culture, identity, and heritage. Never wait until something is taken away before you realize its value. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share our channel for more educational content.